They're just going to the tree. They're just going to the tree. That's it.
Hey, monkey. Come here, Bubba.
You do the zoom thing, dear. If you use your left hand.
Yeah, and it makes it really fuzzy.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. When I looked at the one that you did,
I did on all of them, dear.
well, the one was really bad. Oh, come on, guys. I don't want pictures of you peeing.
Don't look at me.
Wow, you're cute.
Right at your feet, dear.
I'll
Hey.
get you. I'll get you. I'll get you.
Then you want to take the camera and videotape that mom. All the frames of mom.
I'm still videoing, so.
He covers up the snow. There he comes back down. He's come back down. Timmy, go to mommy. Where's mommy?
Here's Brutus.
He's like trying to knock you down. Hi, guys. Get mommy. Go get mommy. Get mommy. Go get mommy. Let's get mommy. Come on.
Brutus, come here.
Get mommy. Come on. Get mommy. Get mommy. There you go. Timmy, get mommy.
He never does this.
Where are you going? Hey!
Hey, that's his poop yard. He likes to look at poop.
Come over here.
Monkey!
No. Monkey!
Monkey! Get over here! Monkey!
He's coming. Brutus. I'll get you.
Look at him and he's like, ah.
He's like, oh, they're going crazy. Where's he going? There he goes. There goes Henry. There we go.
Monkey!
Monkey, get over here.
Here, Dad, you take the camera.
Monkey!
What?
Look at Monkey.
Monkey!
Oh, he's got to poop. He's going to poop.